Most people trying to get free traffic are doing one thing wrong without even realizing it. It's the reason they post and still get nothing. No clicks, no replies, no one checking out their links. They think they need to post more or show up everywhere, but it's not about doing more. It's about doing less and making it count. The big problem is being too general. They try to talk to everyone. When you talk to everyone, no one listens. If someone scrolling past your post can't tell it's meant for them in 2 seconds, they're gone. They don't care how good your offer is or how much effort you put in. It didn't connect, and that's where most people fall off without even knowing what went wrong. You have to be clear about who you're talking to and what problem you're solving. People only stop and click when it feels like you're speaking right to them. That doesn't mean you need fancy words or expert-level tips. It means you pick one problem and one kind of person. Speak in their language and make your message simple, not clever, not technical, just real. For example, if you're helping people get traffic without using ads, say that. Don't say you help with engagement systems or organic scaling methods. Say you help people get clicks without paying for ads. If someone is struggling with that, they'll notice, they'll stop, and they'll want to know more. Also, if you have any questions, make sure that you leave them in the YouTube comments section and I'll personally answer them. Sometimes a quick back and forth is all it takes to clear up confusion and keep things moving. Don't overthink it. Just speak like you would to a friend who's trying to figure things out. You don't need to post 10 times a day. You just need a message that makes the right person say, "That's me." When that happens, free traffic starts to feel simple. Not because you did anything fancy, but because your words hit home. That's the part people skip, and it's why so many never get results from their efforts. If you want people to click, you can't be vague. You can't hope they figure it out. You have to guide them. Say who it's for. Say what it helps with. Say what to do next. Be direct. It makes everything easier, and it helps people feel like they're in the right place. To learn more about the system that I use and my premium bonuses that I'm offering, visit my link below. When you get the message right, free traffic isn't hard. It just flows. You'll start seeing clicks and comments without chasing them. And it all starts with fixing the first step,